Welcome to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a hot minute since I shared a cook video, but I'm back. And in today's video, I want to share with you how to make simple potato chips or fries from home in such a way that they look beautiful and they are crunchy and soft on the inside. But before I start, I would like to thank my returning viewers and subscribers. You guys have been very supportive. This particular video is dedicated to my friend and subscriber and viewer, Rachel, who requested that I made potato chips or fries. So today I'm not going to use any special or complicated ingredients. It's going to be plain and simple because I'm not here to teach you how to become a 5-star chef. I'm only here to show you how you can turn the ingredients in your pantry at home into something that's very beautiful and very worthy of appreciation. So let's get going and get into it just now. So one of the important things you need to have when you are dealing with potatoes anyway is a bowl of water. So for my chips, I like to make sure that I create a flat base. By doing so, just cut a tiny part so that your potato sits flat on your chopping block or on the surface. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to gently cut like so, or you can cut them in any size you like, but for this video this is what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to repeat this process for each potato. I've finished cutting these potatoes and I've paired these up like so. So the next thing that you want to do that I like to do is very optional. I like to cut off the edges. I'm doing this only to make sure that my chips look very they look as much neat as possible, because we all know that potatoes are very irregular, right? Option as it is, I'm not getting rid of these tiny pieces. I'll still fry them and they are very beautiful to just nibble on as you are cooking your chips. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these up like this. Now you must know that it's important to pair them up like this. You can manage to put like 3 decks. Please go ahead, because it ensures that you cut these chips as similarly as possible, because the thing about cooking basically anything is that you try to make sure you chop everything and cut everything up like in the same exact shapes and sizes so that they cook evenly. The more evenly you cut, the more evenly they cook. So let's just continue to do this and make our chips. So apart from trying to achieve even cuts, it's really even quicker to put them like this. So instead of like just cutting one by one like that, like you're basically literally killing 2 birds or 2 potato slices with one knife. These are the parts that I've gotten rid of, but this is very unnecessary and very optional. I just want this to look very cute for you guys, but you can always just cut the chips without removing these edges and everything. But mind you, I mentioned earlier, I'm still gonna fry these and I'll be nibbling at them while I'm cooking, because they are still potatoes and they'll still be good. So if you can see how even these look, like at least I've tried to make them as even as possible. Yeah. So that's what you want to achieve. Let's go ahead and put them in a pot of hot oil and proceed. As we wait for our oil to heat up, we're just gonna put our chips in this bowl of water. Alright, so my oil is fairly hot. I'm just gonna gently put these in. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna half fry these potatoes, not completely, and then we'll take them out and put them away in the deep freezer for about 30 minutes or so. It sounds like a long process, but it's something that you can do like in advance before time comes for you to say, "We'll eat these potato chips," you can even actually do it like the previous night or the previous day and just keep them in the freezer to freeze up. Yeah, see you in a bit. So because it was getting loud around me, I've decided to do a voiceover for this part. So these are half fried. I've taken them out of the pot. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just making this little concoction. This is thyme, which I'm gonna mix with rosemary. I call these two sister herbs, they just go well together. I'm just gonna crush them, grind them together, and I'm gonna add this mixture to the chips once they are done, together with the other seasonings, which is salt and some chip spice. They are very well, preferably ground. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a sauce. This is just barbecue sauce mixed with mayonnaise. Just stir that up. It's my favorite. You can use tomato sauce or tomato sauce depending, but my favorite is barbecue sauce mixed with mayonnaise. It makes a good dip, at least to my taste. There, that's a good consistency. So I'm just gonna try out one chip to just taste the hardness of the oil, which seems to be good right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour everything in. So remember, they're already half cooked, so I've cranked up the heat at the highest possible. So I'm just gonna put them there, the fries, and make sure I stir continually or very frequently, just to make sure that they brown evenly. And otherwise, if you neglect them, you just find like they've burnt. So it's important to just like stand there and keep stirring and just keep checking on them to just make sure that everything is cooked evenly. You can tell that they're gradually starting to brown, and I keep stirring just to make sure that I get the most even I can achieve from these potato chips. They look good right now, and you could almost see them turning like to that nice golden brown. And there we go. So right about now, I've just put them out. I'm letting the oil drip on those serviettes, and I'm gonna season with salt first, no particular order, and then I'm seasoning with some chip spice right now. And last but certainly not least, my herb concoction, that's thyme and rosemary. And then we're gonna give that a flip, make sure everything mixes together well. And here we go. I'm serving this with a dip that I made earlier and a coleslaw. I don't know about everyone else, but I love coleslaw. I think coleslaw goes well with a lot of things. Alright guys, let's now have a taste and see how this is gonna be. But I'm certain that it's really good, because this is one of my favorite ways to make the chips, like very simple. They're very soft on the inside and a bit crusty on the outside. But if you want to make them even more crusty, you can use potato starch or corn starch. To just the time we have fried them, you could just take them out, put them away on a tray, on a plate or something, and then just pat them dry a bit of the oil with a paper towel or a kitchen towel, and just sprinkle the corn starch or the potato starch, and then you put them in the deep freezer. But this one, I just wanted to show you the very simple way you can do it, because I'm sure not everybody has cornstarch on their shelf. So this one is a very simple way you can do it. It's very delicious, and it goes very well with the coleslaw. If you didn't watch the video, I'll put a link in the description box. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's yummy, it's good. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and feel free to interact with me on my Instagram at elmystique. You can send me a message, tell me what you want to see me prepare, tell me if you want any advice concerning cooking or anything. And also check out my hair videos. I'm sure you think my hair looks a bit cute right now, because I also do my hair routines and my hair tutorials and anything to do with hair. Check out also my hair videos. Yeah, we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you for watching, and please, happy cooking, stay blessed.